Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are good. So, as in the previous video, we already completed the two religious festival, Eid and Onam. That I already told you about both the festivals. Okay. So, in this video today, we are just go through the other festival of harvest festival. Okay. Date is 21st. Okay. Lesson number 10, our festival. So we just go through about Pongal. What is Pongal? Matlab what the type of this festival? It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Where this festival is celebrated? This festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is celebrated in January for 3 days. Okay, it is celebrated in the month of January for 3 days. Okay. On the first day they worshipped rain god. Who's the rain god? The god of rain, who brings rain on the earth. Okay. Might be it's yes. So first day is of rain god. Okay. People worship rain god. So this day is called Bhogi Pongal. Okay. First day is called Bhogi Pongal. So on the second day they worship sun god. You all know sun, so they worshipped sun god. Okay. This day is called Thai Pongal. Okay. This day is called Thai Pongal. On this day, people make kheer. We know it like kheer, but they called as rice cooked with milk and jaggery. What is jaggery? Jaggery is a gur. Okay. So they make the kheer and offered it to the sun god. On the third day they worshipped cow. Okay. Why they worshipped cow? Because cow is also a part of this festival. Means harvest festival is related with cow. Okay. Related with cow, sun and rain. These three things are most important to the farmers. Okay. Why? Because if he used to plow the field, they want rain, water, sunlight and cow. Cow for plowing the field. Okay. Like hull. Okay. So cow is very useful and most important part for the farmers. Okay. So these are the three days, and this day is called Mathu Pongal. These are the 3 days that they celebrate as Pongal. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, so Pongal is the harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in the month of January for 3 days. First day they worshipped rain god, and this day is called Bhogi Pongal. Okay, and second day they worshipped sun god. This day is called Thai Pongal. Third day they worshipped cow, and this day is called Mathu Pongal. They make the kheer and worshipped sun god and offered them this kheer. Okay, this is the harvest festival called Pongal. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. So the next is Ganesh Chaturthi. Why we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? Because on this day it is the main festival of Maharashtra. People of Maharashtra celebrate this festival every year. On this day people worshipped Lord Ganesha. The idol of Lord Ganesha, they make it eco-friendly, or they just buy it from the market and put that idol of Lord Ganesha in their homes, and believes that Lord Ganesha came to their houses, and they believe that Lord Ganesha remove all the difficulties in their life. I hope this is clear to you all. I just draw Lord Ganesha so that you may understand properly. So I hope this is clear to you all. This is Lord Ganesha's idol, and people worship Lord Ganesha on Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay. So these were the next two festivals that we celebrated all over India. Now in the next video we just go through the Ugadi, Ambubachi, and the last festivals, national festivals. In that we just go through Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. I hope these two festivals were clear to you all. So I'm going to give you homework. Your homework is to do search question answer of lesson 10, page number 63 in book. Okay, you have to search the question and answer page number 63 in book only. Okay, you don't have to write it in your copies, anything. Okay, you just search it in the book and mark it or write over in front of the question with the pencil. Okay, so thank you.